Hello students, welcome to ACE Academy. Welcome to the session on current affairs. As a part of our daily news analysis, let us today discuss and know about the State Election Commission. Recently, in the state of Andhra Pradesh, there is a discussion over the autonomy given to State Election Commission and also the role of the state legislature on the Election Commission. In this context, let us know what Constitution is talking about the State Election Commission and what is the recent issue. Part 9 and Part 9A of the Indian Constitution provides for the establishment of the State Election Commission for each state. And Article 243K as well as Article 243 ZA provides autonomy to the State Election Commission in conducting elections. 243K gives power to the Election Commission in conducting elections to Panchayat. And ZA talks about conducting elections in municipalities. These two provisions are added by 73rd and 74th Constitutional Amendment Act respectively. As Article 324 of the Constitution provides a complete autonomy and independence to Election Commission of India in conducting certain elections, Article 243K and ZA provides the same autonomy over conducting, scheduling the elections in the states. Now, what is the recent issue? But before going to that, let us also see what are these articles talking about or saying about the autonomy of Election Commission. According to these articles, the Chief Election Commissioner, the State Chief Election Commissioner, shall be appointed by the Governor. Shall be appointed by the Governor. Secondly, it says the state legislature can pass a law. The state legislature can pass a law which determine the tenure and conditions of the office. The tenure and also the conditions of the office. Now the third one, which is very, very important for us. The Chief Election Commissioner can be removed only following the manner and grounds to remove the judge of an High Court. The judge of the High Court. Meaning, a procedure followed to remove the judge of the High Court shall be applied in removing the Election Commission of the State Election Commission. Simply, there are three things. One, these people are appointed by the Governor. The tenure and conditions are determined by the state legislature by a law, and they can be removed with only following only the manner as a judge of High Court is removed. Now look at this. What is a controversy? In March 2020, the elections to the local bodies are scheduled in the state of Andhra Pradesh. But the Chief Election or the State Election Commission has postponed these elections because of the COVID pandemic. COVID-19 pandemic. Now, this made a conflict of interest between the government and the State Election Commission, because the government want the State Election Commission to conduct the elections. As the state government is not happy, the state government has approached the Supreme Court. The state government has approached Supreme Court. But interestingly, the Supreme Court refused. The Supreme Court refused to take this case because it said State Election Commission has the complete autonomy and independence to decide upon conducting the elections. Now this has made the Andhra Pradesh government to promulgate, right, asking the governor to promulgate an ordinance under Article 213 of the Constitution. Now what is this ordinance all about? The first one is, this ordinance has made to cut the tenure of the State Election Commissioner from 5 years to 3 years. And also, it has made to decide the eligibility criteria for appointing the State Election Commissioner. Meaning, it said the government will come up with the eligibility criteria for the governor to appoint anyone. Now, when this tenure was cut from 5 years to 3 years, the incumbent State Election Commissioner has left because of its tenure complete. This has made a lot of drift between the constitutional experts, the state government, and also the opposition party leaders. Can a state government misuse the power to decide the tenure of the election commissioner to decrease the tenure of the election commissioner for their personal gains? Of course, this move or this ordinance, if challenged in the Supreme Court, may not sustain the doctrine of judicial review. Let us see what will happen. But this is the issue. This is the broad issue of what happened in Andhra Pradesh with respect to State Election Commission. Now let us look at a practice question. This practice question is related to the topic which we have discussed yesterday. And yesterday we discussed about desert locusts. Consider the following and choose the correct statement with regard to desert locusts. Statement number 1. It is a kind of grasshopper and migratory in nature. This statement is correct. Statement number 2. It has high rate of reproduction and huge potential to destroy agriculture farms. And this statement is also correct. Answer is C. Both the statements are correct. Desert locusts are migratory in nature and travels more than 1000 kilometers. On an average, they travel 150 kilometers per day. And they are highly reproductive in nature, and they are major threat to the food security around the world, including India. So this is for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow with another current affairs. Thank you very much.